Hi everyone, my name is Gurjeet Singh. I'm a student of Masters of Information Technology. My topic for the presentation is PIR sensor. It is also known as passive infrared sensor. Before I start with my presentation, I want to tell you what we mean by sensor. A sensor is a device that detects any type of input from the environment. This input can be anything like heat, light, motion, pressure, and the output are the signals which are converted to human readable form. Today we are living in an era where security is a big issue. Technologies like motion detector can help us to solve this problem. PIR motion sensor can be connected with other type of sensor in security system to detect intruder. We need security for both life and property. We need security not only in homes but also in defense and hospitals. Before I talk about technical feature, I want to tell you what is a PIR sensor. PIR motion sensor is an electronic sensor that intake infrared light radiating from the objects which are present in its area. It consists of pyroelectric sensor which generates energy when exposed to heat. As we can see in the diagram, it consists of three pins: VCC, ground, and output. It is labeled as 1, 2, and 3 in the diagram. One pin will be grounded, another will be signal, and the last pin will be power. It has a power usually up to 5 volts. Living objects release heat in form of infrared light, and motion detector detect this light with the help of Fencer lens, which focus the infrared signal onto pyroelectric sensor. Some more features of PIR sensor: they have a range between 5 m and 12 m. They have a dense FOV, which stand for field of view, which means they can detect very small movement also. They have reduced the risk of false alarm. PIR sensor have long battery life. High quality PIR sensor can last multiple years on one battery. They have more lens array, which help them to improve the field of view, and same goes for detector element. Both detector element and lens array help in detecting the smallest movement in an area covered by PIR sensors. Uses of PIR motion has divided into two categories: occupancy detection and intrusion detection. In occupancy detection, PI sensors are quite sensitive as they are as they detect minor human body motion entering or leaving any of the small field of view, where it is less sensitive in case of intrusion detection, because we don't want the alarm to be on because of a pet movement or any other small movement. In occupancy, it is used for lighting purpose. It can be installed anywhere, as we can see in the picture, where a person will cross the area where it is installed, the light will automatically turn on or gets bright. It can be used in night pathway lighting, outdoor or entry lights, common staircase lighting, or for garden lights. Automatic lighting help us in saving a lot of money which is spent in electricity. Sensors are used to detect the presence of the people at the door and provide self-opening feature which help us to reduce the manpower. Devices like music system can turn on automatically with the help of this technology after sensing the presence of someone. One of the biggest use of PIR motion is for security purposes, which comes under the intrusion detection category. Burglar alarm is using this technology to detect the movement of the thieves. It's being used in gaming industry. Xbox are using this technology so people can feel real world gaming environment. People are expecting a lot from this technology, and the industry giants want to improve this technology as much as they can so they can take the maximum advantage from this technology. Companies are working to make a single sensor which can serve both security and social purpose, like a single sensor which is capable of working as a light and a security sensor. Sensors have the capability to play an important role in smart homes, and technicians are working to use them to their full limits. Techie guy want to increase the range of motion sensor so they can cover the maximum distance and can notify the change happen in that area. Pantry is the another area where companies are working. They want to use solar energy instead of normal battery backup. Thanks a lot for listening to me and I hope you enjoyed the presentation. These are the references I used for my presentation.